Good morning, everyone. See us again, Mandy and Jemima in Noah News. Today, we are going to be talking about 3D printing organs. But before we start, we would like to hear what others think about 3D printing organs.
I think it's about printing your organs. The technology where you print organs 3D and you can use it
3D printing organs is based off 3D printing, which is a process that builds 3D objects made by a 3D printer. The printer deposits layers of molten plastic or powder and fuses them together to shape the structure. Since you can build almost everything using 3D printing, now the scientists have been trying to artificially make organs using 3D printing technology.
A typical 3D printer works like an inkjet printer when you are printing on a piece of paper. The difference is, 3D printer builds up a 3D model one layer at a time from the bottom upward. And now, the scientists are actually trying to build a functional organ by 3D printing. Imagine if you can make actually function organs by printing it. Isn't it amazing?
But questions remain. Is it possible? How does it work? Can the printed organs replace the actual organs, and so on?
To answer those questions, we are going to interview someone who is now devoting his life making foundation of future 3D printing organs. Now, please welcome our guest, Mr. Rudy Lechmanan, Executive Vice President of Bioprinting Company Organics. For those who don't know what Organics is the only company that is focusing its research in bioprinting. And now, Mr. Rudy Lechmanan, Executive Vice President of Organics, would like to share us about the technology. Thank you for your time, Mr. Lechmanan. Could you tell us how Organics' 3D printing research began?
Okay. The concept of printing tissues came out from Professor Gabor Forgax's research at the University of Missouri. It was enabled through a grant from the National Sciences Foundation, and that work was all about living cells and depositing cells in an architectural manner.
By this biomedical advancement, is it possible someday to make an organ?
Well, bioprinting is actually the prelude in the building of fully functional tissue. The early tissue construction is to move a biocreator where it will then grow in its different stages, and apparently we are the only company doing this.
How far away are you from creating tissue that can be used in operations?
Hopefully in the next 10 years, it is possible for that supplemental tissues to be created, one that could aid in regeneration of the process through design, clinical as well as regulatory testing. But more advanced replacement tissues will most likely be in the next 20 years.